Fast English Club.
Hi, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Emma. What's your name?
I'm Jack. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Jack.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. And you?
I'm from the U.S. Do you live here?
Yes, I live in New York. What about you?
I just moved here last month. What time do you usually wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m. And you?
I wake up at 6 a.m. because I go jogging.
Wow, that's early. Do you exercise every day?
Yes, I try to. Do you like exercising?
Not really, but I like walking.
Walking is great too. Where do you usually walk?
In the park near my house.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a teacher. And you?
I work as a software engineer.
That sounds interesting. Do you like your job?
Yes, I love it, but it can be stressful. What about you?
I love teaching, but sometimes it's tiring.
I can imagine. How long have you been a teacher?
For 5 years now.
What do you do in your free time?
I love reading books. What about you?
I enjoy playing the guitar.
That's cool. What kind of music do you play?
Mostly rock and pop. Do you play any instruments?
No, but I love listening to music.
Who is your favorite singer?
I love Adele.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza. What about you?
Me too. Do you like spicy food?
Not really. Do you?
Yes, I love spicy food. Have you ever tried Indian food?
Yes, and I liked it.
What's your favorite drink?
I love coffee. What about you?
I prefer tea. Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love it. What about you?
Me too. What's the best place you visited?
Paris was amazing. Have you ever been there?
No, but I really want to go.
You should. It's beautiful.
How do you usually travel? By plane or by car?
I prefer planes for long trips.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I do. What about you?
I like shopping for clothes.
Me too. What's your favorite store?
I love Zara. What about you?
I prefer H&M.
It's really hot today.
Yes, it is. I wish it were cooler.
Do you like summer or winter?
I love winter. What about you?
I prefer summer. I love the beach.
I like the beach too, but I hate the heat.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother. And you?
I have 2 sisters. Are you the oldest?
No, I'm the youngest. What about you?
I'm the middle child. What are your plans for the weekend?
I'm going to a concert. What about you?
That sounds fun. I'm planning to watch a movie.
Nice. Do you like action movies?
Yes, I love them. Do you?
Not really. I prefer comedies.
Do you use social media a lot?
Yes, I'm always on Instagram. What about you?
I use Twitter more.
What do you like about Twitter?
I like reading news updates.
That's useful.
What's your dream job?
I want to be a photographer.
I want to start my own business.
That's great. What kind of business?
Maybe a coffee shop.
I'd love to visit your shop one day.
Are you in a relationship?
No, I'm single. What about you?
I have a girlfriend.
That's nice. How long have you been together?
2 years.
That's great.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I love basketball. What about you?
I prefer soccer.
Do you play often?
Yes, with my friends on weekends.